stairs. Get on the angles. Okay? Okay. Now without the pads, all right, you can see, all right, I'm moving around, I'm jabbing to his belly, jabbing to his body, because I want him to lower his guard. That's what I'm trying to get him to do. All right? Okay? So he lowers his guard, then I come up top.